This video is about how to take help from EVA Helpdesk to solve your queries regarding working of system. Log in onto our ERP system and click on Help button in bottom right corner. A dialog box will be appear on right side of screen, where there is search option in which you can search for any of your queries like what is process for bill done bill outstanding in ERP system. What is ERP path to add customer in our system? Like this you can watch out for other small queries. For example, search for bill done bill outstanding. And all videos related to it will appear in front that are available on our YouTube channel. Select the one you want, watch the videos and you can get your doubts solved.
Wow, Eva, that was quite useful. Now I don't need to reach the customer support again and again to solve the queries. Thank you.
You're welcome.